Hello, welcome to third video of linear regression analysis. In this video, we will discussing about multiple linear regression and also we will see the example of multiple linear regression that will help you to understand what is the difference between simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. So let's start. So first to understand, let's see first take overview of simple linear regression. What is simple linear regression? It is going to establish the relationship between two variables, dependent variable and independent variable. In this example, here the price is the dependent variable and area is the independent variable. Over here, there are two types of relationship, positive and negative relationship. We have discussed in the previous video. Based on the feature, as we know that the positive relationship usually whenever the area increase, the house price also increases. There are some points here. Simple linear regression model will try to best fit regression line, and this best fit line basically given by the equation y equals to b naught plus b1 x1. This equation will be like this. Intercept is basically indicate that this value. What is slope? It is the degree number of points that changes for every unit increase in x. So we will discuss about simple linear regression model till now. Now we will see about linear regression, multiple linear regression. We see in the simple linear regression there are only one dependent variable and one independent variable. But in multiple linear regression there are more than one independent variable. So let us consider an example. Let's suppose that want to predict the house price based on the different parameters such as area of house, bedrooms, age. These are the independent variable and price is dependent variable. In multiple linear regression, we are using more than one independent variable to predict the outcome, that is price. This is the example of multiple linear regression. Let's see what will be the equation of multiple linear regression. Suppose we have x1, x2 and x3 variable and my output variable is y. Let us consider x1 is area, x2 is number of bedrooms and x3 is age of house. These features impact on the price of the house. Now the equation will be like this: y equals to b naught plus b1 x1. X1 is basically area of house plus b2 x2. X2 is the number of bedrooms plus beta 3. X3 is the age of house and the y is the price. Now when I have multiple variables and one dependent variable, this is called as the multiple linear regression, and this is the equation. Beta 0 is the intercept and beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3 are the slope of the coefficient respect to independent variable. It is basically that if increase the value of x1 by 1 unit, then this beta 1 says that by how much value it will affect the price similarly with respect to beta 2 and beta 3. So this is a brief introduction about multiple linear regression model. In the next video, I will show you how to implement simple linear regression and multiple linear regression in Python. So that's it for today. Thank you.